Hello and welcome to This Week in Science. This is my YouTube channel where I'll basically be going over papers that have come out in the past month or so that really are going to be kind of revolutionary or some kind of scientific breakthrough, or really things that are just interesting sometimes as well. I'm going to give a pretty basic explanation of these. Probably like a high school level explanation, so most people should be able to understand. I will also link to the papers. That way you guys can go ahead and actually read them if you are more well versed in that field, or if you just want to share something like that. I'll be sure to definitely leave the links for those papers in the description. Of course, a lot of these, if you don't have an academic subscription or you're not part of a university or something, you might not get access to them, so just be mindful of that. So science is a very broad term, obviously, so I want to clarify I'll be talking about things like biology and health and medicine, pharmacy, things like that. I'll also be talking about life science, animal science, plant biology, things like that, earth science, astronomy, physics, chemistry, technology, engineering, computer science, just the environment, anything that is even remotely scientific. I'll probably be covering it, and hopefully I'll find some good psychology papers as well. So yeah, basically the idea is that I'm going to find papers that are maybe a month old max each week and talk about them, give them a brief overview, and let you guys know what's going on and what sort of new and exciting innovations there are in science. For a little bit background on myself, I am a trained biologist, so that's mostly where I'll have the most knowledge in. Technically, I did do some work with biomedical engineering, so I will have some knowledge that's specific to that, some engineering knowledge, and then I've taken things like organic chemistry, so I do know a bit about chemistry here and there, and I've taken obviously basic physics and things like that in university. So hopefully I will be able to give you guys a good enough overview of these topics so that you can understand them, but also there's a good level of detail so that you kind of understand the full scope of everything. And I love to talk about applications and practical uses for new research, so I hope to cover that as well. So stay tuned. Again, I'm going to try and do one of these each week, so there should be something new and interesting happening, and hopefully you guys will follow along and learn about it with me. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time.